I ain't falling for that. Come on, knucklehead.
Hey, pretty girl.
Come on, pretty girl.
Hey. Thanks, sweetie. She's a little bit smaller than Hazel. Okay, so welcome back to our channel. We have had a crazy couple of days. So we are on our way in this bouncy truck of our sons, Eric and I, to go pick up a new girl. So stay tuned.
Mabel, come here. She knows her name, don't you?
He's got a little brindle color coming into him.
Lincoln. Come here, girl.
Like I want it so bad, but I'll
She does.
Hey. You're okay. You're all right. Ready? Come on, Maple.
Come on, baby.
Be careful.
Atta girl.
That a girl. She's so pretty. Find some water. She's got a little messy in the trailer. Yeah. Come on, little guy. Oh, he's slipping in the poop.
Be careful.
Come on. They call him Lincoln. He was born on 4th of July. Over here. We need to close that gate. Maple. She's so pretty. Hi. It's okay. It's okay. Hi. So this is Maple. She's 6 years old. She's a little scared. We're gonna get her some feed. Get her to settle down. She's checking it out. Gonna go see our little orphan. All right, I gotta run and shut this gate before she makes her way over there. Hey. Make nice, huh? She is very sweet. We gotta make him nice. So his name is Lincoln. He was born on 4th of July. So he has an appropriate name, and he's a longhorn cross. We don't know what we're gonna do with him yet. We'll be keeping him for the short term. He looks like he's gonna get a brindle pattern there. He'll have a real pretty coat. She's such a sweet girl. Okay, I want you to come this way. Come on, let's go. See if she follows the bucket. Maple, here she comes. Her name is Maple. She's 6 years old. And this is her 4th calf, we believe. We aren't entirely sure. Got her from a real sweet couple who, let's see, hope you can hear me. She's liking that feed. Okay. We gotta get a halter on her so we can start working on the rope. She's not halter trained. All right, good girl. She's not halter trained, but she's very, very sweet. So the plan with Maple and Lincoln for the short term is just get them settled in for a couple days. I'll get a halter on her tomorrow and start feeding her and see how she reacts when I mess with her udder. Well, eventually, within tomorrow, I'll start feeding her in the milk stanchion, and then after a couple days, we will start to attempt milking. So, oh, she got spooked, I think. Come on. I don't think she's ever seen a sheep. The sheep are upset because they want to come meet her. Maple. Come on. Let's see what she does. Come here, baby. Maple. She's got to find where the water is. She's going to test all the boundaries too real quick and see where she can go. Maple! All right, well, while she's doing that, I need to go heat up some milk to feed this little guy and go check on Rosie and feed our Brahma beef girl. Whew. It's been a wild few days. So we're getting this little fella fed his nighttime bottle. We have gone from yay, we sold a milk cow we wanted to sell, to then we picked up an orphan that same night. We had our Rosie and her interesting calving today. And then we picked up Maple and her little bull calf by her side today. So we're in the positive 3 little bull calves in the last 3 days. Our minds are kind of spinning still. So we'll do more updates on Maple here very soon. She is hanging out way out there under the trees. She's a little scared right now. She's been visiting the neighbor's cows on the fence line. They saw her and came running to the fence, so she ran to them. So she's gotten a little bite to eat, and we're gonna keep her in this front field for a few days. We'll probably put everybody up here soon so where they can share some hay. So see if you can see her walking across. And her little guy's just running around. So that's gonna be it for this one. We will touch base with you probably more tomorrow as we work to halter break that girl and see if we can milk her. Bye. She's fitting right in. I'll introduce her to the rest of the girls tomorrow. She's so pretty. She's a pretty, pretty Jersey. I always wanted a paint Jersey. See if I can get a better shot of Mr. Lincoln. We may change his name. He's eating the grain. Is that good? Uh-huh, you're a little chunker boy. He's eating the grain. I wonder if we should turn him out. Not yet. That guy. Yeah. She's so pretty.